I swear, we just celebrated my birthday and Thanksgiving, and now Christmas is approaching. I'm losing my mind, but I'm very much on the Christmas spirit this year. So, yes. But real quick, before we kind of jump into the Christmas shenanigans, let's see, it's Sunday. It is the 22nd. The 22nd. So we are 3 days away from Christmas. Bunch of birthdays are coming up at the same time as Christmas. But I wanted to do an unboxing of these Beats that I picked up because my AirPods died. They didn't die. They're like not working. So I'll put one AirPod in. One AirPod will last like 5 hours. It lasts like 20 minutes. So connection's always dropping. It's never picking up. It's just a bunch of things. So I went and bought myself a little Christmas gift and picked up some Beats. So I'm super excited to try them out. I haven't had a pair of Beats headphones since I was in like high school. So I'm a little excited because they were great headphones back then. So I don't know, the Apple mantra just kind of like took over. So you got like try Apple Music for free. Ooh, okay. Go ahead. And then it comes with the USB-C cable, which everything comes with that cable. It's so annoying. And then there's different sizes that come in the box. So again, very excited. So excited. Okay, so this is what we're working with, y'all. All right, so at first glance, ooh, this is gonna be like very interesting because, oh, okay. I'm loving the grip. It's gripping the inside of my ear. I love that. I love that for me. You either gotta be choking me out on my head or you gotta be gripping me in my ear.
I said, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
You know, something gotta give, you feel me? But I'm pretty sure it's self-explanatory as far as setting up. Okay, so we're pairing. Okay. So let's play, you already know Giveon. Okay. Okay. Because I'm a one ear user. Like I really am. Ooh. I gotta put both in now. Oh, I'm dropping them. Oh. I feel like I'm not putting it in right. Oh, what am I doing? Play. Okay, it's gonna take some getting used to, like how to put them in, but either love me or I gotta leave. Okay. Okay. I will say this. I don't know if it's something that I have to do on my end. Probably not. It's probably just how it's designed. I feel like my ear is small. I feel like it's a small, but the sound quality is great. I'm gonna say for sure, it's not as loud as I would like for it to be, but honestly, that's probably where I need to be. On top of playing video games, I don't. Are these buttons? Oh, they are. Awesome. So can I? Okay. Okay, okay. Oop, I didn't mean to do that. I don't know. I guess I'm not a small. Yeah, it's like, I feel like it's falling out. I don't have big ears. That's crazy. Oh, okay. So we'll leave the extra pieces for, I don't know who's going to use them, but regardless, I probably need them in the future. Um, I guess it gives you like instructions on how to put them in. No, because the B got to be up. Like that. It's like, I know. All right, so let's make a phone call. Let's make a phone call. Let's call my child. Let's see what it's hitting for with the sound. Amia, answer the phone. Answer your phone. Answer your phone. Take your phone off of silent. Not you playing with the AirPods. Take your phone off of silent. Your phone is on sleep mode, silent, or something. Okay, so I like the sound quality when you're talking on the phone. How do I sound?
Good.
Okay, you sound okay. Okay. All right.
Love you.
I love you too. Thanks for trying it out with me. Um, but yeah, I mean, I'm definitely giving it a solid like 8. But I know there's different versions, so it's still very good. It's just gonna take some getting used to because I'm so used to like. All right, yeah. I'm gonna say that we're happy with the purchase. Now I just have to get a new case because I can't be walking around like this. No, I need I need a case that's something into gaming. So we're gonna look on Amazon. But thank y'all for the unboxing. Happy holidays, y'all. Happy holidays. Like I said, this is just like a little. It's gonna be a lot going on in this vlog because how do you put it in? Oh, it's magnetic. That's so. Love it, love it. And now it's dead already. Crazy. But again, let's say it's a solid 8. All right, this is gonna take some getting used to. Definitely with some comfort. like in the ears and everything. But I mean, honestly, I think I paid $80 for these. Pretty solid for $80. I would like to see what it does with like other pairing in the house. So like my PC, I have other gadgets and stuff I can pair it with. So we're going to be testing some things out. But again, thank y'all for hanging out with me with this unboxing of the Beats. What version did I get? Beats Studio Buds. So again, I do have my Logitech Pros that I got for my birthday. And these, I would wear these more in the gym or like working out. I wouldn't necessarily wear these trying to like talk on the phone and do stuff around the house. So these are like my on the go. I'm talking on the phone, whatever the case may be. But if I'm in a gym, I'm definitely taking these with me. I'm definitely taking these with me. So we're gonna be back on our workout kick as well because my back been jiggling. I don't like it. I don't like it. Back been jiggling. So